Good day, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: the different sources of authority that influence our moral decisions. When we face dilemmas, we often look to three primary influences: law, religion, and culture. Each of these provides a unique framework for determining what is right and wrong, shaping our ethical views and actions. However, these frameworks don't always align, which can lead to some challenging moral dilemmas. So, let's explore how each source impacts our moral compass and how we can navigate these complexities in our lives. Religion as a source of morality. Let's start with religion. In many religious traditions, including Christianity and Islam, adherents are called to love and obey their supreme being. For example, in the Holy Scriptures, Yahweh commands us to love Him above all else. This command resonates deeply with believers, who often feel a strong obligation to follow the divine will. For many Filipinos, religion is woven into the fabric of daily life. From a young age, teachings like "thou shalt not kill" or "thou shalt not steal" instill moral values that guide behavior. Religious communities foster virtues such as love, generosity, and forgiveness, encouraging compassion and moral duty. However, relying solely on religion for moral guidance can be complex, especially in a diverse society like the Philippines. Different religious groups may interpret teachings differently, leading to conflicts in moral understanding. Some may promote doctrines that conflict with universal values like peace and forgiveness. Therefore, while religion provides a strong moral foundation, we must also consider other sources to navigate differences and promote harmony in our pluralistic society. The role of law in ethical decision-making. Next, let's discuss law. Laws are the frameworks that guide acceptable behavior in society, setting boundaries for our actions. In the Philippines, all citizens are expected to follow the legal codes, which helps maintain order and fairness. However, the law has its limitations. Sometimes, laws can be broad and fail to address ethical nuances. For instance, some companies exploit loopholes in labor laws to deny employees their rights, which, while legal, is widely seen as unethical. Additionally, those in power can manipulate laws to serve their interests, creating a gap between what is legally permissible and what is ethically just. Thus, while the law is essential for maintaining order, it doesn't always capture the complexities of ethical behavior. To make morally sound decisions, we must look beyond what is legal and consider fairness, empathy, and justice. Culture's influence on morality. Finally, let's explore culture. Culture shapes our lifestyle, habits, and values, offering a rich tapestry of perspectives on morality. It introduces us to different aesthetic expressions, beliefs, and social norms. However, this cultural diversity raises the concept of cultural relativism, the idea that no universal standard exists for judging ethics. Each culture has its own belief system, so what is acceptable in one society may be frowned upon in another. While cultural relativism encourages respect for diversity, it can also lead to challenges. For instance, if we accept all cultural practices as valid, we might struggle to identify right from wrong, potentially overlooking universal values like love and compassion. Moreover, cultural relativism can hinder addressing harmful practices that violate the rights of vulnerable individuals. This raises the question of whether external intervention is justified, particularly in upholding human rights. To navigate these complexities, we can adopt several strategies. Promote dialogue. Encourage open conversations about cultural practices to better understand diverse perspectives. Foster education. Learn about different cultures and their ethical dilemmas to promote empathy and appreciation for diversity. Advocate for universal values. While respecting cultural differences, emphasize shared values like dignity and justice. Support inclusive practices. Encourage cultures to evolve, balancing tradition with ethical standards that protect everyone's rights. Conclusion. In conclusion, navigating moral decisions can be complex yet rewarding when we consider the influences of law, religion, and culture. It's essential to understand the laws that govern us while reflecting on our religious teachings and recognizing the cultural norms that shape our perspectives. When faced with a moral dilemma, we should consider the context and potential consequences of our choices. Engaging with diverse viewpoints can help us identify common ethical principles that unite us. Lastly, we should reflect on our personal values, seek guidance from trusted mentors, and practice empathy. By integrating insights from law, religion, and culture, we can navigate moral decisions thoughtfully, respecting diverse experiences while upholding ethical standards. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this discussion inspires you to reflect on how these influences shape your moral compass.